Hey everyone! Welcome to Bright Minds Drinks Challenge. Can you guess all 60 drinks before the timer runs out? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun quizzes. Let's begin. Number 1. This drink wakes you up in the morning. It's coffee. Number 2. A bubbly cola loved around the world. It's Coca-Cola. Number 3. Made from fresh oranges. It's orange juice. Number 4. A green tea powder from Japan. It's matcha. Number 5. Milk mixed with chocolate syrup. It's chocolate milk. Number 6. A cool and tangy drink for summer. It's lemonade. Number 7. Straight from the tropics. It's coconut water. Number 8. Made from dried tea leaves. It's black tea. Number 9. A fizzy lemon lime drink. It's Sprite. Number 10. Coffee with milk foam. It's a latte. Number 11. A warm drink made from cocoa. It's hot chocolate. Number 12. A sports drink that boosts energy. It's Gatorade. Number 13. Made from fermented grapes. It's wine. Number 14. A plain white drink from cows. It's milk. Number 15. A creamy drink made from bananas. It's banana smoothie. Number 16. Made from fermented barley and hop. It's beer. Number 17. A fizzy orange soda. It's Fanta. Number 18. Cold tea served with ice. It's iced tea. Number 19. A tropical mix of pineapple and coconut. It's pina colada. Number 20. A healthy green drink. It's green smoothie. Number 21. A cola brand that starts with P. It's Pepsi. Number 22. A sweet orange milk tea from Thailand. It's Thai tea. Number 23. A yogurt and fruit drink from India. It's Lassi. Number 24. Fizzy flavored water. It's sparkling water. Number 25. A tropical juice made from mangoes. It's mango juice. Number 26. Sweet milk tea with pearls. It's bubble tea. Number 27. A strong coffee shot. It's espresso. Number 28. A tomato-based cocktail. It's Bloody Mary, number 29. Hot, spiced wine. It's mulled wine. Number 30. Made from strawberries and milk. It's strawberry milkshake. Number 31. A Japanese drink made from rice. It's sake. Number 32. A fizzy drink flavored with ginger. It's ginger ale. Number 33. A cold coffee with ice. It's iced coffee. Number 34. Yogurt mixed with cucumber and mint. It's Aran. Number 35. Made from squeezed apples. It's apple juice. Number 36. A thick drink made from ice cream. It's milkshake. Number 37. A fizzy red soda. It's Dr. Pepper. Number 38. Water with cucumber and mint. It's detox water. Number 39. Spicy and milky Indian tea. It's chai tea. Number 40. Cola with a scoop of ice cream. It's a soda float. Number 41. A bright orange vegetable drink. It's carrot juice. Number 42. Creamy drink made from oat. It's oat milk. Number 43. Made from soybeans. It's soy milk. Number 44. Sweet juice from sugarcane. It's sugarcane juice. Number 45. An energy drink that gives you wings. It's Red Bull. Number 46. Fresh and juicy. It's watermelon juice. Number 47. A plant-based drink from nuts. It's almond milk. Number 48. Warm water with lemon and honey. It's honey lemon tea. Number 49. A bold green energy drink. It's Monster Energy. Number 50. Creamy Tropical Delight. It's Tropical Smoothie. Number 51. Sweet and Floral Tropical Drink. It's Lychee Juice. Number 52. A mix of many fruits. It's Fruit Punch. Number 53. Another probiotic drink. It's Yakult. Number 54. A cold dessert drink from India. It's Faluda. Number 55. A salty yogurt drink. It's Chaz. Number 56. A creamy green fruit shake. It's Avocado Shake. Number 57. A tart red drink from berries. It's Cranberry Juice. Number 58. A sweet pink drink with rose syrup. It's Rose Milk. Number 59. Smoothie made with berries. It's Berry Smoothie. Number 60. A cold and creamy coffee blended with ice. It's Frappé Coffee. Great job, Bright Minders. How many drinks did you guess right? Comment your score below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun guessing games.